Hey, it's Jess. Last one. Auto apply. The part everything else was building to. The profile, the campaigns, the scores, they all exist so this one switch can do one thing. Apply without you. It runs on our side, around the clock. No browser extension, no tab you keep open, no pile of drafts waiting for your okay. Each run picks eligible jobs from your campaigns, builds a resume for that exact posting, answers with the answers you already gave, and sends. Close the laptop. The search keeps working. And it isn't fishing in a small pond. CoBlack reads across thousands, millions of live postings. The only thing that bounds it is the criteria you set in your campaigns. That's the whole leash. So if your filters are tight, there's simply less left to apply to, even on a paid plan. Keep the net light. Give it room to work. Now the part that matters most. Every answer on every application is one you actually gave. CoBlack never invents a qualification, a certification, or a year of experience to slip past a filter. Not once. What an employer reads is you. And you hold the switch. Auto-apply won't even arm until your profile is ready to represent you. Flip it off anytime. Discovery and matching keep working. Nothing new gets sent. Flip it back, and it picks up right where it left off. And every time that toggle moves, you get a security email, device, time, all of it. Nothing happens without you knowing. And that's CoBlack. One profile that tells your whole story. Campaigns that never sleep. Scores that show their receipts. And applications that go out while you live your life. You did the setup. The rest is already happening. Welcome to the job search that runs itself. See you out there.